Come today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now as can you see I can unlock the device with my face. And now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device just to show you how fast and how useful this unlock method is on our Huawei phone. So let's start. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works good here. We can fast unlock our device. I just a second ago I unlocked the device with not only just with the clear face, but I just do this with the here as can you see I just got here the the glasses here. So I just can unlock the device with the glasses or without them. But when I set up my face recognition, I just do this without of glasses, but without of any problems I can just to unlock the device with just with the glasses. So that's good thing, I think. So we can unlock the device fast. And I think if you, for example, don't like some methods like the fingerprint or the passcodes, so we can try the face unlock method, why not? So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.